Welcome to Koehler&Dramm's Institute of Floristry, UDesign with Ardith. The table is full of different kinds of ribbons, but I want to section it out right now to these first three. And these are the three that are used most often. They're called Florisatin. One side of it, I'll use this one. One side is shiny, the other side is matte. So you never have the right and wrong side, you have a shiny side and a matte side, because sometimes that matte side is the side that you want to use. So we'll start with the number 3 bow, or number 3 ribbon, excuse me. Number 3 ribbon is used for, in proportion to bud vases, corsages, smaller items. Then you have the number 9, and the 9 is for plants, for a little bit larger arrangement. I also use the number 9 ribbon for pew decorations for a chapel, something a little bit smaller. This is number 40, and number 40 is for large plants, sympathy arrangements, maybe a bow on a small car. But the main thing you need to remember is use the ribbon in proportion to the design or to the creation that you're designing with. Now, these are the 3 main sizes, number 40, number 9, and number 3. Within that range, there's a number 6, there's a number 5. And then we'll go over here to, this is a larger style, and this is a French wired ribbon. So this is a little bit wider than 40, and it's French wired, and that means that there's the wire on either side. Coming over here a little bit further, a little bit wider, this is the felt ribbon, the wool ribbon. Sorry, it's wool, it's not felt, it's a wool ribbon. Then we have the woven ribbon. And the woven ribbon is very light, very sheer, it's fun to use, it's fun to put for decorative accents. A couple different brands, but it's the same thing, it's woven ribbon. When you get a little bit larger, then you're getting into the banner. You're getting into a little bit wider, and then you get into the material after that. So then coming down the other side, we have smaller ones, and this is a 1.5. A little bit smaller for smaller corsages, smaller designs. And this is a really small cream. It's a really dainty ribbon. It's a double-faced satin, which means satin on both sides. Now, these are some, graduating out again, starting here, going to the more advanced ribbons. Then we also have a wool ribbon, 2 sizes, and there's a wire inside, so it's very, very palatable. And then the number 9, going deeper into that, this is a nice sheer, and here's a 9 French wired, which is the same on both sides. This is number 3. This is a number 3 sheer, nice and smooth looking ribbon. This is a number 3 double face satin, and a number 3 French wired. And this is called Berwick. It's called a Florisatin, and it is not made out of material. It's a polypropylene, and the best thing about this is it can be used in doors or outdoors, and it can be in water. And they have on the Berwick website a lot of different patterns. Here's a really fun Halloween pattern. They've got tons of patterns on the Berwick. It's a Berwick ribbon Florisatin on the website. And it's 100% polypropylene, which means that it's not material. You can take the ribbon and you can split it. So if you buy the number 40, then you can make number 9 if you want to. This is also a ribbon shredder. And one of the things about this ribbon is you can take this ribbon shredder and you can do streamers, lots of fun stuff. The thing I like best about the Berwick is that it can go indoors or outdoors, and it also curls. So if you want it to, my scissor, if you want it to curl, it curls. And it curls just like the balloon ribbon, and this is called balloon ribbon. So within this range, there's tons more. I'm going to be showing you lots of different types of ribbons, but just showing you that when you are asking for a ribbon, then 3, 9, and 40 are the most used. Then it goes into all of these wonderful, wonderful categories and beautiful patterns that you could use for anything.